Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are showing you how we can check if someone has taken a screenshot of our Instagram story. So let's keep it very super simple and straight to the point and get started. Start by opening up the Instagram application for that. And the first thing you can directly understand is that Instagram does not notify us if someone screenshots it. So officially, we do not directly see who has screenshotted our story. But there are certain things we can check. So what we can do is we can start by going ahead and opening up our Instagram story. So tap on your story, and then once you tap on story, what we can do is we can swipe up to the story viewers. So on your left hand side, you can look out for it. And once you look out for it, what you can do is if someone has repeatedly watched your story instantly or multiple times, that could be a sign, though not guaranteed. So that is one of the workaround you can assume if someone has taken up your story. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and switch to professional account sometimes. So go to your profile, and from your profile, look out for the menu option and click on it. After you click on it, you can look out for your professional account and switch to professional account. Go to creator tools and controls, and within there, look out for the switch account type and select a professional account. After that, what you can do is if you have a business or a creator account, if there is any kind of profile visits or interactions, it will show you any unusual activity. So this does not show screenshot names, but it will basically help us notice any kind of unusual activities. You can look out for the insights and go ahead and view your profile widgets and interactions and how many times your stories was replayed. And apart from that, to be very simple and straightforward, Instagram does not let us see who has screenshotted our story, but you can check your insights if you have a professional account. But there is no official screenshot notification for stories, and that's the simplest truth about Instagram stories. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.